We're back. What's good, what's popping? It's my case, popularly known as Libra Boo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, what do you best do? You already know the vibes. Please like this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends and your family so that we can grow and be one big family. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, a lot of things happened in my life and we need to talk about it. Let's debrief. First thing first, guys, we need to address the big elephant in the room, which is me leaving YouTube forever. Guys, I'm not leaving YouTube forever. I'm not quitting YouTube, so you guys can relax, because few of you guys, I'm not gonna say a lot of you guys, but few of you guys came into my Instagram page DM saying that Tiamo, please don't quit YouTube, we love your YouTube channel, we love you, we see you, right? So I'm just gonna tell you the reason why I wanted to quit YouTube. It is because, guys, my analytics were not analyticing, and also you guys were not commenting, guys. Okay, I got 100 views, but like 3 people commented, 4 people commented. So what about 90 something of you guys? What are you guys doing? Why are you guys not commenting? Why are you guys not liking? Even with liking, yes, with liking, guys. Okay, 13 people liked, but 100 people saw my YouTube video. So do you see that on its own is really demotivating? Because, guys, as much as I love creating YouTube vlogs, as much as I love vlogging and posting on YouTube, I want to grow, guys. I want to grow my brand. I want to grow my platforms. Yes, I'm doing this for fun, but yes, I want to make money out of it. Yes, I want to monetize my YouTube channel. So I also felt like I am pouring so much on my YouTube channel, but I'm not reaping anything out of it. I'm not gaining anything out of it. Instead, guys, I'm gaining people perceiving me in whatever way they want to perceive me. I don't care. I cannot tell. But yeah, guys, that is the reason why I wanted to leave YouTube. But I came back to my senses. Yeah, I came back to my senses. I am not leaving YouTube, but there's a huge but I'm not going to be consistent as I would like to be. I might post a vlog once a month, or post a vlog after 3 months, after 4 months. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna be posting whenever I feel like posting, because yeah, I love YouTube, guys. I really love documenting my life. So yeah. And guys, the other reason why I won't be consistent this year, or the reason why I wanted to leave YouTube, it is because, guys, I don't like the room that I stay in, guys. I don't like my room. I don't like it. The reason why I don't like it is because, guys, it does not have any natural lighting coming in. And why the whole content creator, natural lighting is very, very important. Very important. But with my room, it does not have that. And also, I don't like this rest. Yeah. It is not aesthetically pleasing. If you know the rest that I was staying at last year, you know, guys, you know, it was very perfect for my YouTube channel. That is why I was so consistent. But with the rest that I stay in this year, haki sure, but I'm going to try to vlog and make the most out of it, guys, honestly. And yeah, guys, that's all that I wanted to talk to you about. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I'm going to try by all means to make it exciting and fun. And yeah, guys, life is rosy. Whew. Okay, guys, let's unbox my tripod. Guys, I'm so excited here. Like, I haven't been consistent on my TikTok because of I didn't have a tripod, and also I didn't feel like I'm a content creator without a tripod. Hey, like I didn't. There were days where I didn't vlog at all. And then one thing about me, I will vlog each and every day. But like, since this original tripod on, I procrastinate. So now we are back to vlogging every day. Go to my because I know so, guys, because I need to wash my blankets, and also I haven't eaten anything for breakfast. So yeah. Oh my god. Here's my tripod. Wait. Here's my tripod, guys. I get to go take a load, but I'll follow box kima for this. Yeah, guys, here's my tripod. Let's unbox it. I bought the black one. Let's hope it's black because I can't think it's any white, it's any pinky. Oh, Sana, I love it. It's so tall. Hopefully the tripod is on. So yeah, let's do this. Wait, guys. Okay. Why? I don't like the sound. Okay, guys. Oh, EMV. Basically. Good morning, guys. So I do have this vlog, and right now I'm on my way to campus because I have a presentation. So yeah, guys, let's go. Aqui vocês. Good morning, guys. It's another day of this vlog. And right now it is 11 o'clock in the morning and I'm getting ready. Me and Zandile, we are going to try out some kota place in Bloemfontein. We've been meaning to try it. So yeah, today we decided that we are going to try it. We're supposed to go with Bonolo, but unfortunately Bonolo, she is busy with church and stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna go just the two of us. But first, guys, I'm gonna go to FNB. I wanna go and open an account because, guys, as a content creator, you need an FNB account. Yeah, because because I got a campaign, right, with an international brand, and now they wanna pay me my money, and I can't use Capitec. I must use PayPal, and I have to link my PayPal account with my FNB account. So yeah, guys, and also I am gonna post the video for the brand. I don't know when, but I think by the time this vlog is out, the video will already being out by now. And yeah, guys, so we're gonna start at the mall first. Me and Zandile. So me and Zandile, we got the same campaign. So we're gonna start at the mall and then we're gonna open the account, the FNB accounts, both of us, and also for the future because yeah, guys, even campaign here like December, the chicken leg, it was from overseas. The agency in approaching overseas. So with them, I don't know how they managed to send the money straight to my Capitec account. But yeah, guys, let me go and take a shower. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back at my place and right now it is 12:30 a.m. I'm done eating. I want to edit this vlog, upload it, and then delete all the clips because I'm starting a new vlog guys today. I can access my YouTube. I guys, so relaxing. So yeah guys, today I have a long day because I'm shooting for a brand. I got another paying collaboration with this brand. They're paying me good money guys for one TikTok video. They're paying me more than my rate. Do you guys understand that? Oh my god, I'm so grateful. Yeah guys, I got 2 paying collaboration this month alone. The other brand video is going up on Monday on my TikTok. So if you're watching this, please go on my TikTok because go and comment and engage. It's a campaign about EduBuddy. So EduBuddy, it's about a study tool that helps you write your assignment. They help you with no AI, 100% human written assignment essays and stuff. So please go check it out, engage, and also go on their website and check everything up because it's gonna help you. So yeah guys, please check it out. And as I've said, today I'm shooting a brand campaign. With this one, I'm not gonna say anything because I haven't submitted the content and they haven't approved the content, so I don't want to jinx my thing, so let me keep quiet. But I just want to say my heart is so full guys. Like, oh Sana, this was once my prayer. Like, I'm living in my answered prayer, and this is not even the beginning. This is a trial run guys. The beginning is yet to come. Do you understand that guys? I'm literally so grateful guys, and with all the money that is coming my way, I'm like, guys, if you're a student and you want to start content creation, start it. This is your sign. This is a sign that start that content, shoot that video, post those videos on your TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, because it is worth it guys. Like, I just want to say it is worth it, and there's enough bread for all of us. So start. But yeah guys, I'm gonna close up this vlog here guys. Please don't be hard on me because I know this vlog was not exciting and all of that, but on my next vlog I promise you I am going to improve because there's a lot of exciting things that are coming. Zandile's birthday, Easter, we're going for hiking, and what else? Oh, we got invited to, oh, why am I saying we? Zandile got an invite to farmers market, Bloemfontein farmers market, and he's taking me as his +1. So yeah guys, oh my god, like there's a lot of good things that are happening in my life, and I'm so grateful guys. Like, my heart is so full, and I want to say thank God. On my vision board there is a quote that I keep reading this year. It says makukhanye makwande, and I feel like that is exactly that is happening, and I can't wait to achieve by the end of the year. And I know for the fact that achieve it, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.